Hello, my name is Tim Gregory. I'm the Senior Fund Manager with Vermeer Investment Management based in the UK. I just wanted to give you some thoughts and updates of how we see markets and the global economy developing over the coming months and beyond that, as things start to take shape following massive sell-off in equities and then the quite strong rebound that we've seen, but economic data which shows that economies are in very deep recessions with significant job losses. I hope everyone is doing okay, that their friends and family are all well, and that we're able to get through this situation and move ahead in time. What sort of recovery are we going to see is one of the biggest questions that we're asking ourselves the whole time when we think about the markets going forward. After the big sell-off and then the big rebound, we try to take stock and figure out what sort of recovery and how it will take shape in the future. So inevitably, we're not sure how long the current situation will play out and when we'll get to a situation when economies can start to recover, and there will be an initial big rebound from the enormous falls that we're currently seeing in employment and economic activity. But beyond that, we think that the likelihood is that the recovery will be much more gradual and slow economies to re-emerge from where they were previously before this all started. Many industries will face much longer term challenges as confidence has to be restored, whether that be travel or leisure, aerospace, the auto industry, or indeed oil. Capital expenditure budgets are likely to be crimped. Chief executives, chief financial officers are going to be hesitant about starting new projects for investment in the initial phases because they may be worried that there could be a return of the virus and a return of the lockdown. We think this is going to crimp economic activity. We think that companies are going to focus on paying down debt, preserving cash flow, generating cash as much as they can, and will be hesitant in the way that they reinvest. And we think this is likely to hold back spending in discretionary areas and mean that a lot of companies will emerge rather slowly from what we're seeing now in the fullness of time once the market rebounds initially. We also think, and this can be an area of interest from an investment perspective, that there could be a lot of cash raisings. Companies are suspending share buybacks. Many companies may also pass their dividends. Some companies will also need to raise fresh equity in order to keep their businesses going through this period, in order to get to the other side and then be able to run their businesses efficiently on the other side in order to be able to grow with confidence when they get to this point. This could be an interesting opportunity. If you find the right companies that are well managed, get their finances into good shape, whose shares have been under significant pressure because of this short-term situation, that could actually create some very good opportunities to invest for the long term. Once again, I'd like to wish everyone the best through this very difficult period. Hope their friends and family are well, and look forward to speaking to you again soon. Thanks very much indeed.